Hello there! Today in this video we will see how to sign up and use EasyPost as your shipping solution. So without further ado, let's go to our test site and see the process in a step-by-step manner. There are two prerequisites to use EasyPost shipping on your site. Number 1, you need ELEX EasyPost Shipping Plugin, which we have already installed on our testing site. Number 2, an EasyPost account, which will help you to get the API key so that you can easily use the API key in our ELEX EasyPost Shipping Plugin to get live rates and generate the shipping label. So let's dive into the process of creating an EasyPost account. After you install the ELEX EasyPost Shipping Plugin, go to the setting. Then under Generic API Settings, you can find the link to the EasyPost website. Click on it and you will be redirected to EasyPost website. As you can see, ELEX is an EasyPost approved integration partner. Fill all the required details and hit sign up. We strongly recommend you to use our UTM link to sign up so that you can get the benefit of all the available offers. In the next step, copy the verification code from the email sent by EasyPost on your email ID and hit verify. Once you are on your landing page, go to Carriers section to select your desired carriers. For our test account, we have already integrated few carriers. However, you need to fill your basic details to integrate the carrier. Then from your EasyPost dashboard, go to API section. Here you can find the APIs for the test and production. We will be using the test API, due to which we are copying the test API key. Now go to ELEX EasyPost Plugin settings, change the API integration mode to test and paste your test API key. Finally click on Save Changes. So with these simple steps you can integrate your EasyPost account with our ELEX EasyPost Shipping Plugin, and once you set up the plugin you will get live rates and you will be able to generate shipping labels from your Wordpress dashboard. Also, you can find the link to how to set up ELEX EasyPost Shipping Plugin in the description section. Hope you have understood the process. If you still have any doubts, just connect with our support team by following the link provided in the description and we will be right there to help you. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.